Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all are good and fine. Now our first topic is third class term 1 social. Our first topic is social. I will explain now. In social, first topic is our earth. What is our earth? Earth means we live on earth. Okay, now planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system including our earth. Earth is a one planet. Earth is a one planet and we revolve, our earth is revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. In solar system 8 planets is there including earth also. Earth is a unique planet. It is home to all living things. About 3/4 of the earth is covered by water and 1/4 by land. Due to the presence of water, our earth is called the water planet or the blue planet. Now, earth is a unique planet. Unique means same. The earth is looking like a round shape like a football. Earth is looking like a ball. It is home to all living things and non-living things. We are living on earth. All are living things also living on the earth and non-living things also living on the earth. About 3/4 of the earth is covered by water and 1/4 by land. In land 70% of water and 30% of land. Only 30% of land we are living on that. Due to presence of water, our earth is called the water planet. What we say in earth, water is more. Water is 70% will have. So we called it is water planet or blue planet. Water planet or the blue planet. The earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air called the atmosphere. This air helps human beings, animals and plants to breathe. The earth is surrounded by a thick forest. In earth some forest also is there. In there the thick layer is called atmosphere. We call that it is called atmosphere. This air help us to human beings, animals and plants to breathe. We cannot breathe air. We cannot live on land. We cannot drink water. We cannot live on a land. We must use these things. This air helps human beings and animals and planets to breathe. Thus, the presence of water and air have made life possible on the earth. We live on earth. We must impossible these things not having those water and air. We use water and air have made life will be possible on the earth. Our next topic is shape of the earth. Shape of the earth. Hundred of years ago, people thought our planet was flat. They were afraid of traveling too far. They feared that if they went near the edge, they would fall off. 100 years of ago, people thought the land is flat level. The land is not flat level. Our earth is round. Spherical shape, ball shape. We cannot travel on earth at a time total. So too far, they feel that if they want near the edge, they would fall off. Impossible, we cannot travel on earth. So next, in 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, went on a long journey with his solars from Spain. They sailed westward and continued to sail in the same direction. In 1519, some people says journey so long time that is impossible to come our direction. Where is the north and where is the south and where is the east and where is the west? We cannot find out at a time this. But Ferdinand Magellan will be confirm the fixed direction. Okay, I hope you will understand this topic. We will continue next topic on next class. Your homework is the earth. You will draw this earth 2 times and write the earth. You will find. Okay, thank you. I hope you will understand this topic.